Hey there and welcome. So you're on the hunt for that perfect summer meal, right? Something that's absolutely delicious, but doesn't mean you're stuck sweating over a hot stove while everyone else is outside. Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to walk through making an incredible honey lime grilled salmon. This quote just nails it, doesn't it? Light, vibrant, slightly smoky, and bursting with fresh flavor. That is exactly what you're craving on a warm summer night. This is one of those meals that feels really special and gourmet, and this is the best part, it comes together so fast. It's the perfect answer to those nights you want something amazing without all the fuss. So why is this the perfect choice? Well, let's break it down. First off, we're grilling. That means no turning on the oven and heating up your whole kitchen. Big win, right? We're also using all those gorgeous, fresh summer ingredients. Think sweet corn, creamy avocado, zesty lime. Then there's the honey, which does this amazing magic trick of making things both sweet and savory. And the best part? It's a super light meal that somehow still feels totally satisfying. Okay, up next, gathering your ingredients. And don't worry, the list is simple, fresh, and packed with flavor. Nothing intimidating here, I promise. So here's the game plan. We've basically split everything into two simple teams. On one side, you've got everything for the honey lime salmon itself. That's your honey, your lime juice, a little garlic, super straightforward. And on the other side, you have the team for that amazing corn and avocado salsa. We're talking fresh corn, ripe avocado, some red onion, and bell pepper for crunch. Seriously, it's like a bowl of summer. All right, now for the really fun part, the simple how-to. Let's go make some magic. The prep work here is a piece of cake, just 3 little steps. First up, you're going to make the marinade. Just whisk together that honey, lime juice, oil, and garlic. You really want to get it all mixed up so it clings perfectly to the salmon. Let that hang out for about 15 minutes. While that's happening, you'll get the corn on the grill. You're looking for those nice little charred bits. That's not burnt, that's pure smoky flavor. And finally, you just toss all your salsa ingredients together in a bowl. Easy, right? And now the grand finale. The salmon hits the grill. It cooks super fast, just 4 or 5 minutes on each side. Now here's a little pro tip. Brush it with some extra marinade while it's cooking. That's how you get that gorgeous, sticky, caramelized crust. Once it's done, just slide it onto a plate. And seriously, don't be shy with the salsa. Pile that beautiful stuff right on top. A final drizzle of honey and boom, you're done? Okay, you've totally got the basics down. Now let's talk about some finishing touches and pro tips, because the best part of cooking is learning how to make a dish perfectly yours. So, you want to make it your own? Of course you do. This is where you get to have fun and turn a great recipe into your signature dish. Here are a few super simple ideas to boost the flavor. If you like a little heat, chop up a jalapeno and toss it in the salsa. That spicy kick against the sweet honey is just, wow. Not a huge lime fan? No problem. Swap it for orange juice. You'll get a totally different vibe, a little softer and sweeter. And my favorite little trick? A pinch of flaky sea salt right at the very end. It just makes that honey sweetness sing. Okay, but what if you don't have a grill? I know, this is the part where you might think, oh, well, I can't make this. But wait, don't click away. We have an answer for you. See? No grill, absolutely no problem. You can just roast the salmon in your oven at 400 degrees. It'll take about 12 to 15 minutes. And for that charred corn, just get a skillet nice and hot and sear the kernels in there. You'll get a really similar effect. All the key flavors are still there, which means this dish is for everyone. Grill or no grill. You did it! You made this gorgeous meal. Now let's complete the perfect meal and get ready to celebrate. Because the right drink just takes everything to the next level, right? So here are a few ideas. A honey-sweetened iced green tea is amazing. It really plays off the honey in the salmon. For something super simple and refreshing, you can't go wrong with sparkling water with a squeeze of lime and maybe a little honey. And if you're in the mood, a nice, light summer rosé is a fantastic choice. It's crisp enough to cut through the richness of the fish. And there you have it. Your perfect summer meal is ready. You just made something that's light, that's vibrant, and just bursting with fresh flavor. You've got this. So the only thing left to decide is, what are you going to be sipping with it? Whatever you choose, enjoy every single bite.